Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'll tell you how to do the Kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison between the Moto H20 versus the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Let's see, by using the Kinemaster video rendering application, which phone can actually render faster, Snapdragon 778G versus the Dimensity 1200. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, because a lot of users are actually waiting for this kind of video. Let me do the quick comparison side by side. So here is the Kinemaster application which I did open, as you can see here. So right now I'm trying to use the same video in both phones at same time. Let me try to go back and I'll try to show you, as you can see here. Same video I'm trying to use. So right now I'm trying to convert the 1080 video clip to the 1080. So then I'll try to convert from 1080 to 4K as well. So two different types of testing I'll try to do. So first let's see what happens with the 1080 to 1080. So same kind of bitrate I'm trying to select. As you can see, friends, so both phones are having the same kind of bitrate selected, and output estimated is also kind of similar size as well. So let's see which phone will be able to complete the rendering process faster. So 1 and 1, 2, 3. Yes, I did click at the same time. And this is a test where I'm not using any kind of high performance mode. Without using high performance mode, I'm trying to do. So second step, I'll try to use the high performance mode and then I'll try to compare. Let's see how much difference will it be there between this both processes in terms of the exporting of the Kinemaster. So which is quite important for some users who are actually thinking of buying the device and they want to know how much capability of the processor is in terms of the video exporting and rendering. That's good to know, friends, because this kind of videos very rare you will be getting. So that's the reason try to follow the playlist for whatever the videos you're looking after. The playlist will give you the clear idea and clear picture what is happening with each and every data. Right now, as you can see, the OnePlus Nord 2 is in slight kind of lead. Right now, as you can see, friends, the OnePlus Nord 2 is trying to finish first, then the Moto H20. You can clearly see the difference, how much faster. It's not a huge difference, but just a little bit difference is there. So this is a test from 1080 to 1080 only. I'm trying to convert. So it took kind of close to 1 minute and 30 seconds as a round figure of time. You can definitely consider 1 minute and 30 seconds. And this phone took about 1 minute and 40 seconds of time. So overall 10 seconds difference is there between these both phones. Now see the magic what happens if you try to turn on the high performance mode in this phone. Suddenly the magic begins. Let me try to show you, friends, exactly. Yes, this will boost a lot of performance between this both. Yeah, absolutely. In the OnePlus Nord 2 it will definitely boost it. Let me try to use the same settings. I'm trying to convert at same time. So 1, 2 and 3. So same settings I'm trying to use, and at same time I'm trying to convert. And let's see whether the high performance mode will make any kind of difference in the OnePlus Nord 2 or not, because whenever I try to do the speed test it made a lot of sense. Yes, whenever I tried to do the ANTU benchmark test also, I did get a lot of ANTU benchmark score in this phone. So if I try to use the high performance mode, so that's the reason I thought of comparing both phones side by side just to see what is happening. And in case if you have any other doubts, don't forget to comment below. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible for you all. And right now even the high performance mode is not that performing well. Maybe the Kinemaster application may not be that optimized for the Dimensity processors. That is what I'm thinking, because same problem with other phones as well, with other Realme phones. I mean Dimensity 1000 phones, not Realme phones, Dimensity processor phones, when compared with the Snapdragon processors. Let's see, using the high performance mode, can it decrease any kind of time or not? Already we crossed 1 minute of time as well at this point. So now we'll get to know the results within just few seconds of time. What is happening? So right now the OnePlus Nord 2 is going to finish the rendering process in about 1 minute and 25 seconds. Only 5 seconds decreased if you use the high performance mode. Otherwise not a huge difference. But Moto H20 as usual, same time it's gonna take 1 minute 40 seconds of time. So there should not be much difference. And yes, that's it. As you can see, friends, clearly what is happening. So both phones are doing really great. Only 10 seconds of difference is there if you try to convert the 1080 to 1080. Now let's see what happens. 1080 to the 4K. This is going to be really extreme kind of rendering test which I'm going to do. So 1080 to the 4K output is also 684 MB, 684 MB. Same size of output both phones are showing right now. Let's see what's going to happen if we try to convert the 1080 into 1080. 1, 2, 3, and using the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. Okay, high performance mode, and 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, I did not click at same time. I missed that. So 1, 2 and 3. Yes, I did click at same time in both phones. So 1080 to 4K. It's gonna take some time, so again I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, both phones are exactly performing slightly kind of close to each other. So 1080 into 4K. I mean 1080 to 4K I'm trying to convert. So during this time of conversation, so as you can see, I did use the high performance mode in the OnePlus Nord 2. You can see the Moto H20 was able to finish faster than the OnePlus Nord 2. As you can see, the clear result what is happening in the conversion. So 1080 to 4K. So using the high performance mode, as you can see here. But still the Nord 2 was able to not perform that good in terms of converting from 1080 to 4K resolution. So this is the final conclusion, friends, and thank you for watching this video. And in case if you want me to use any other different editing applications, and let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll try to do those kind of reviews in the next videos. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.